And then you can go here to export. So on the right side, you can export, and you can click the plus sign here, and you can select PDF here, and you can export this as a PDF. So when you use export on the right side, and you click export, it's going to create a PDF file. And if you do the export this way, it'll basically take both the portrait and the landscape version and put it into one PDF file. So you can do it like that. You can also go into the other side and go to File, Export here, and you can either say Export here, and here it looks like you have to actually select what you want to export. So you select, and then you go to File, Export. Let's see. I think it might work individually. So I have one selected, and I go to File, Export. Looks like I have to actually go here and go to Export down below, click plus, and say PDF first. So click on the layer for this, and say I'm going to export it as a PDF. So then that way I can go to File, Export, and then export that line work as that PDF. And then I would do the same thing for the tabloid version. Go down here, go to Export, select PDF. And so they're both designated as being exported as PDFs. And then I can also go into Export Frames to PDF, and it will take both frames and export that as a PDF as well. And when you do that, it'll export it, download it from Chrome, and open up Adobe Acrobat at the same time. So then this is what I would submit into Canvas.